Alrighty folks, we're going to be making magic bars today. This is one of Dan's favorites. You'll need graham cracker crumbs, you'll need butter, sweetened condensed milk, some chocolate chips, some peanut butter chips, and there you go. Alrighty, now we're going to put melted butter down in your pan. I believe this is a 13 by 9 that we're using here. Alright, now we're going to put 1.5 cups graham cracker crumbs down in the bottom. Mix it up good with that butter and then press it down in it. Just get that butter good and mixed up there with them graham cracker crumbs. Alright, and then just press it down in there. There we go, just press that down in there. Take your can of sweetened condensed milk. It's a 14-ounce can, folks. Just pour that all over top of that there crust that you just made. And by the way, folks, you need to go ahead and preheat your oven. 325 for a glass dish, or if you're going to be using a metal, 350. We're using a glass, so 325 it is. Now just get that all smoothed around in through there. Now, take a cup of your chocolate chips. Spread them around there on top there. A little bit more won't hurt, folks. Alright, now we'll put some peanut butter chips on here in just a second. And after we get them put on there, we're going to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes until it's lightly browned. And there you'll have it, folks. That'll be it. And then some more good eating. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you think your friends may like this, let them know about it. You all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.